Kiasmatic architecture emphasizes the intersection of sensation, silence, and sight. It is about creating spaces that engage all the senses. These spaces transcend the physical realm and touch upon the metaphysical. Silence plays a crucial role, allowing us to hear our own thoughts. It heightens our awareness of the world around us. Sight in chiasmatic architecture is about how we see. The interplay of light and shadow creates anticipation and wonder. Chiasmatic architecture uses sight to draw us in. Ultimately, a chiasmatic space is felt as much as it is seen. It engages our bodies and minds in a holistic way. The Pantheon in Rome is a powerful example of chiasmatic architecture. Built by the Romans as a temple to all the gods, the Pantheon embodies the principles of sensation, silence, and sight. Its massive dome and central oculus create a unique spatial experience that has captivated visitors for centuries. Upon entering the Pantheon, one is struck by the profound sense of silence. The thick walls and the dome above muffle the sounds of the city outside. This silence allows visitors to connect with the space on a deeper level. It encourages contemplation and reflection. The oculus, a circular opening at the apex of the dome, is the focal point of the Pantheon. It allows natural light to flood into the space, creating an ever-changing play of light and shadow. The oculus also connects the interior of the Pantheon to the heavens above. This connection reinforces the building's sacred purpose. It reminds us of the power and mystery of the cosmos. The Pantheon's use of materials further enhances its chiasmatic qualities. The cool, smooth marble surfaces invite touch. They contrast with the rough texture of the granite columns. This interplay of textures creates a sensory experience that is both stimulating and calming. Architects are storytellers, and their buildings are their narratives. They shape our experiences and leave an enduring legacy. Le Corbusier's Villa Savoye embodies modernity. Louis Kahn's Salk Institute evokes awe and wonder. Zaha Hadid's Haidar Aliyev Center challenges conventions. These architects have shaped our understanding of architecture. Their buildings reflect the values and aspirations of society. Despite the enduring power of architecture to inspire and elevate, contemporary architecture often falls short of its potential. The demands of globalization, urbanization, and rapid technological advancement have led to a proliferation of generic, soulless buildings that prioritize profit over people. This crisis of contemporary architecture is evident in the sprawling suburbs, monotonous office parks, and sterile shopping malls that characterize so much of the built environment today. These spaces lack a sense of place, history, or human connection. They fail to engage our senses or to inspire our imaginations. To address this crisis, architects must rediscover the importance of the human element in design. They must create spaces that are not only functional, but also beautiful, sustainable, and socially responsible. They must strive to design buildings that enhance our lives and connect us to the world around us. Chiasmatic architecture offers a way forward. By focusing on the interplay of sensation, silence, and sight, architects can create spaces that engage all the senses. These spaces can foster a sense of wonder, contemplation, and connection. They can remind us of the power of architecture to elevate the human spirit. Ultimately, the future of architecture depends on our ability to create spaces that nurture both our bodies and our souls.